everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. Opportunity Circle is here with another amazing exchange program, the Tech Girls Exchange Program in the USA. This is a golden opportunity for young women who want to pursue their careers in science and technology. This exchange program is a platform to inspire, support, and empower women from all around the world. The International Summer Exchange Program is fully funded, hence it will cover all the expenses related to traveling, accommodation, and program fees, so students do not have to worry about things that hinder their success. United States of America is known as the top-ranked country in technology and innovation, as this program is based in USA. The main purpose of the Tech Girls Exchange Program is to act as a hope for students even amidst their challenging times brought by the COVID pandemic. This exchange program aims to attract and engage women in diverse academic activities that ensure cooperation and financial stability in the global communities. In collaboration with Virginia University, the Tech Girls Exchange Program has arranged a 27-day experience including initiative to participate in interactive technology and computer camp, traveling to listed countries for job shadowing and tech companies. The Tech Girls will participate in community-based projects under mentorship before returning to their homes after 5 months. It is a program that strengthens the youth community by helping them adopt practical and social learning skills and techniques that enrich the young women workforce for a lifetime. Eligibility criteria of the Tech Girls Exchange Program in USA 2022: candidates must be between the age group of 15 to 17 at the start of the program. Candidates must be female students. Candidates must belong to one of the eligible countries listed below. Candidates must be interested in technology, mathematics, and engineering. Candidates must have good English language skills. They must be ready to pursue their careers in technology in the future. Candidates must be willing to do a community service project once they go home from the USA. Candidates who have never visited the USA or haven't been to the USA in the last 3 years will be preferred for this program. Benefits of this program: the program covers the visa fees, international airfare will be facilitated, accommodation allowance will be granted, candidates will be given 3 meals a day, they will be allowed to follow religious regulations freely, candidates who eat halal food will be facilitated, local transportation and health emergency insurance is provided, a chance to attend and participate in cultural events organized by Legacy International. The documents required to apply for this program: latest photograph, recent school transcripts, 8 essay questions, and passport number. The deadline of the program is January 15, 2022, so make sure you apply before the deadline. To apply for the Tech Girls Exchange Program, click on the link given in the description section of this video, and after clicking on that link, you will be redirected to this web page. After reading all the details about the Tech Girls Exchange Program, you have to scroll down towards the application process section. Read the application process. Candidates have to register themselves via the online website, then log into their accounts to apply. They must have all the required documents before applying. Click on Apply Now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the Tech Girls application homepage. Read the full details about the application process and then click on Register and begin application. If you're a new user, click on Create Account. You have to add in your first name, your last name, your email address, password, confirm your password, and then click on Submit. After registering, an activation link will be emailed to you. Check your email and follow the steps in the email. After activating your account, you will be redirected to your dashboard. You can see that your application status is incomplete. Click on Tech Girls. You have to add in your first name, your last name, your middle name. Have you traveled to the United States before? Select yes or no. Your portrait upload, country of citizenship, your personal and contact information, your date of birth, your email address, your city of birth, your country of birth, your mobile phone number, your street address, city, state, postal code or zip code and country, about your family, your parent, guardian 1, your parent occupation, address, your parent guardian phone number, email address, parent guardian 2, their occupation, mobile phone and email, about your education, your school name, type of school, school address, city, country, current grade, year you will graduate, how many years you have studied English, upload your transcript, about your academic and community interests, answer these questions, then you have to answer the essay questions, What or who initially sparked your interest in the field of technology? Why is participation in this program important to you and how will it benefit you both personally and academically? What type of skills do you hope to develop and improve during the Tech Girls program? Describe a challenge you have faced and how you overcame it. One of the requirements of the program is that you apply the skills you learned in creating a unique follow-on project upon your return home. Describe how you would use the tech skills you gained from this program to design a follow-on program. How would it help your community? What are one or two ways that describe you best and why? More about you. Do you have a valid passport? Your passport number. From which country are you applying? Expiry date of the passport. Have you ever lived or studied in the United States or another country? If yes, when and where did you live or study and why? Your signatures. Applicant signature. Please type full applicant name. Guardian signature. Please type full guardian name. After filling this form, you have to click on Save, and after saving the application and attaching all the required documents, your application will be submitted, and after the selection you will be contacted through your email or phone number. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.